Improved control. This trailer sway control kit helps limit your trailer's lateral movement, using a brake pad type material to restrict and deter trailer sway. Fit type, universal fit. Versatile. This trailer sway bar is compatible with a wide variety of weight distribution hitches, including almost all CURT weight distribution hitches. It can also be used on most A-frame trailers. Highly adjustable. This sway bar hitch easily adjusts for different trailer types and load sizes. It uses a simple hex nut toggle to adjust the level of trailer sway restriction. Easy setup. Setting up this trailer sway control unit with your weight distribution hitch is fast and easy. With the included trailer balls mounted in place, the simply on-off handle makes it easy to engage or disengage the sway control whenever needed. Complete kit. This anti-trailer sway bar includes everything needed for installation on your camper or RV, as well as your weight distribution hitch or sway tab ball mount number 45820. Top reviews from the United States. It works. To date, I have never pulled a trailer with less than a 3/4 or 1-ton pickup. We bought e-bikes and I set up a new all-enclosed 5x8 trailer to be pulled by our Volkswagen Tiguan. With the cost of these e-bikes, their size, weight, keeping road grime, weather off of them, it made the most sense to protect them inside a small trailer. My concern pulling a trailer with a smaller vehicle. I like to run hard with good equipment. I have seen Little's trailers whip back and forth down the highway for years. Realizing there are many factors, and the trailer must be loaded properly with 10% to 15% tongue weight. I purchased of these CURT units, one for each side of the trailer tongue. I drove about 280 miles in a 20 miles per hour winds. Very impressed how they worked. More impressed with the value for the money. These honestly work well as an anti-sway device. I had my wife drive it for about 60 miles and she said she didn't know a trailer was even hooked onto her car. A real win.